The conceptual engineering of a tiny house on wheels, thou anchored in authentic mid-century heritage, functions as a revolutionary nexus where the high design benchmarks of the post-war era merge with a contemporary yearning for an unconfined, high-utility lifestyle. This architectural path represents much more than a mere stylistic revival. It is a disciplined, forward-looking implementation of international style philosophies that once advocated for the aggressive stripping away of excess and the exaltation of structural transparency. By mirroring the streamlined, low-profile silhouettes and the rhythmic post and beam skeletons that defined the mid-20th century, these mobile sanctuaries successfully avoid the visual noise and derivative, rustic shack aesthetics that frequently dominate the tiny house market. The resulting edifice is a transportable masterwork that exudes an undeniable sense of tectonic dignity and sleek permanence, ensuring that the dwelling stands as a breathtaking sculptural icon, whether it is silhouetted against a jagged, snow-capped alpine ridge or a tranquil, sun-drenched coastal meadow. The operational heartbeat of these mobile units is articulated through dynamic spatial choreography, a high-performance architectural strategy specifically engineered to resolve the complex logistical puzzles of a life spent in constant transition. To achieve this, the interior environment adopts a biophilic modernist approach, saturating the living quarters with the deep, velvet-like grains of solid walnut and the radiant, golden surfaces of birch plywood to ground the nomad in a visceral sense of organic luxury. The floor plan is mathematically optimized to eradicate the psychological sensation of confinement by fostering a fluid, open concept flow that recreates the breezy, light-saturated atmosphere of a classic California modernist pavilion. Every piece of furniture is reimagined as a piece of functional fine art, from iconic splayed leg seating to invisible. High-capacity storage modules, ensuring that a traveler's inventory is managed without interrupting the home's pristine, horizontal sightlines. This masterful orchestration ensures the interior functions not as a cramped box, but as a prestigious, rolling lounge that shifts its purpose effortlessly as the occupant's day unfolds. Ultimately, the choice to dwell within a mobile sanctuary that balances modernist exactitude with an inviting, tactile core represents a radical severance from the debt-heavy and disposable consumerist cycles of the early 21st century. By prioritizing a curation over accumulation doctrine and valuing artisanal integrity over sheer square footage, the inhabitant is liberated to form a more profound real-time intimacy with the ever-changing geography visible just outside their door. The signature use of massive floor-to-ceiling glass fenestration, a hallmark of the inside-out design movement, functions as a literal transparent bridge, pulling the raw, unscripted majesty of the wilderness into the warm heart of the home and effectively dissolving the boundaries between the hearth and the horizon. This lifestyle marks a sophisticated resurrection of the golden age of travel, reimagined for a new era of personal sovereignty, where financial independence and the freedom to roam do not require the sacrifice of aesthetic grace. It stands as a mobile monument to the enduring resilience of superior design, proving that true wealth is found in the lightness of one's footprint and the timeless elegance of a home built for the open road. The structural evolution of a tiny house on wheels, thou rooted in iconic mid-century modernism, acts as a transformative catalyst, merging the legendary design rigor of the post-World War II era with the modern-day pursuit of an unburdened, highly versatile existence. This design direction is far more than a simple aesthetic homage. It serves as a rigorous, futuristic application of international style tenets. Which championed the radical removal of structural bulk to celebrate the purity of a home's skeleton. By adopting the sharp horizontal silhouettes and the rhythmic post and beam skeletons that defined the modernist epoch, these mobile havens effectively bypass the cluttered, over-decorated visuals that often saturate the compact housing market. The final product is a transportable edifice that radiates an aura of tectonic authority and sleek permanence, ensuring that the dwelling serves as a breathtaking sculptural landmark, whether it is parked against a jagged alpine horizon or a quiet, sun-drenched coastal meadow. The internal vitality of these nomadic dwellings is expressed through adaptive spatial logistics, a high-concept architectural system engineered to resolve the intricate puzzles of a life spent in constant geographic transition. To achieve this, the interior environment leans into the warm modernism movement, layering the cabin with the deep, velvet-like grains of solid walnut and the shimmering golden surfaces of birch plywood to ground the dweller in a sense of organic luxury. The floor plan is mathematically calibrated to dissolve the psychological sensation of confinement by fostering a fluid, open-concept choreography that captures the breezy, light-filled atmosphere of a classic California hillside pavilion. Every furniture element is elevated to the status of utilitarian high art. From the iconic tapered leg seating to the hidden, high-efficiency storage systems, ensuring that the nomad's inventory is organized without ever disrupting the pristine, horizontal sightlines of the room. This masterful orchestration ensures the interior functions not as a cramped enclosure, but as a prestigious rolling lounge that shifts its purpose effortlessly as the occupant's day unfolds. Ultimately, the commitment to inhabit a mobile sanctuary that balances modernist precision with an inviting, tactile soul serves as a radical severance from the debt-laden and throwaway consumer cycles of the 21st century. By adopting a quality over volume philosophy and valuing artisanal craftsmanship over sheer square footage, the resident is liberated to develop a more profound, real-time connection with the shifting landscapes waiting outside their door. The hallmark integration of expansive, floor-to-ceiling glass apertures acts as a literal, transparent bridge, pulling the raw, unscripted majesty of the natural world into the warm, climate-controlled heart of the home and effectively erasing the divide between the hearth and the horizon. This lifestyle marks a sophisticated revival of the modernist dream reimagined. For a new era of personal sovereignty where financial freedom and the ability to relocate do not necessitate the sacrifice of domestic elegance. It stands as a mobile monument to the enduring resilience of superior design, proving that a life of true richness is found in the clarity of one's footprint and the timeless elegance of a home built for the open road. The operational soul of these mobile units is articulated through dynamic spatial choreography, a high-performance architectural system specifically engineered to solve the complex logistical puzzles of a life spent in constant transition. To fulfill this vision, the internal atmosphere leans heavily into biophilic modernism, saturating the cabin with the deep, velvet-like grains of solid walnut and the shimmering, golden hues of birch plywood to ground the inhabitants in a visceral sense of organic luxury. The layout is mathematically optimized to eradicate the psychological weight of confinement by utilizing an open concept flow that recreates the breezy, light-saturated atmosphere of a legendary California desert pavilion. Every piece of furnishing is elevated to the status of utilitarian high art.